Well, I guess I'm live again. This is gonna drive me crazy. So, stopped filming for just a moment, put down the remote, and now the remote's gone. Like, it's gone from existence. Like, it's just gone from existence. Did I drop it? No. Did I discreetly put it down? No. It's just gone. Since I turned the film off and back on, this is my phone. I brought the phone in. Is it here maybe? No, that's a power cable. Yeah, let's start looking for things, right? The Frankenmint show. Start looking. Gonna go nuts over this thing. Oh look, this is Starscream's crown. Yeah. Okay. I guess the best thing to do is forget about it and move on. You've got your hand, and your hand can operate the camera, right? Is it on the ground? No. Is it yonder? No. And like my thing that I usually do, right, is I will just use something and indiscreetly put it down, and in the process of indiscreetly putting it down, it's just gone. But like I've looked in multiple spots. What happened was I went off the frame, and then I looked at the jackal, right, the airsoft lower to make sure it was good to go. And yes, it's looking good to go. So then to the frame on the side, okay, here's some spare filament, extruder parts, no, pro tent, no, snap cap. Is it in here? Did I failed project? Nope, it's not there. My shattered hopes and dreams? Nope, it's not with them. Alright. YOLO. I guess I'll keep it going then. So when I was leaving off, this is the reference one I was saying the rails kind of work. However, this point where the front rails fit, it does not work. So, yeah. I'm going to say, sorry I pinched it. You probably don't want to pinch up here because this is, yeah. So that's where I'm at. Printed up a printer storm, yeah? Sounds like it. Where's the reference? Reference is right here. Oof. Yikes, so use my trusty needlework, right? Yeah, be careful, this is pinching me. Here, I'm just gonna go for it, you know. Bull by the horn style. Oops. See how that worked out, huh? I know. Yeah, so I stabbed in, and now I got a good purchase on the inner. We'll see if this will work. Seeming like it's trying to work, but I don't think it's working. Oh yeah, like there we go. That's correct. Okay, so 2 sets, and then yeah, 2 sets. Okay, so all that scaffolding's supposed to go away. And like I said, this is actually a different rail system, so it's supposedly, so it's gonna look, it should look different. Yeah, okay, that looks right. Yeah, okay, slick. So the inside, the inner well is, here, I'm gonna get a light, because this is probably where it's needed. Here. And it's free mode, right? So, as we can see, the scaffolding did well right here. It looks pretty good. Compared to the reference model. That was good and known to be good. Alright. So, take this out. Yeah, see, it's all coming out together. Okay, awesome. Come on. There it goes. Okay, good. And that is the actual completed rail. That's what it should look like on this airsoft lower. Okay, so this is what my last one was like, and this is about where it was at. Let's do some cursory comparisons, right? See where the weak points happened before. So we did see, I don't know what they call this. I think it's called stratification. I think that's what that's called. If you are a 3D print expert, please let me know in the comments that I'm wrong and what the right term is. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit more marked and pronounced right here as well. But I think just use will get this out, and this is looking good. It was facing this way on the print bed, so this is the side that wasn't being exposed to, like, you know, view. Yeah. My problem point for the first was right here. These weren't square. They look a bit more square on this print, which is a good thing. Yeah. Well, for the most part, the rails seem good. So I'm gonna take a file to this, and just try to smoothen out a couple of the rough spots. Let's see. I had it. I don't think I took it off frame. Dremel. Actually, yeah, I should probably go ahead and get this Dremel going now too. So to do that, I just used, you saw it earlier at the beginning of the video, I used a cone. It's right here. Right, and I used that on these little spots right here. And this little part right here, because this is rough. I don't like that at all. I'm going to use it on this part right here. First, let's just punch that out, right? I figured this has better, you know, contact surface area than the punch. So, oh, I'm gonna turn this off. There we go. Let's see, white balance. Try that out. Does that work while recording? Oh, yeah, I don't want to mess with that. It was good lighting. Now my own eyes are all messed up. It's like it's dark in here. It's trying to adjust. That's good. Uh-oh. That didn't feel right. It felt like it was trying to... Like it was trying to destroy this. Inside feels nice. Yeah. Okay, oh, here it is. This is what I was looking for. This file. So yeah, this right here is really rough points. I don't like it. Yeah, there we go. Sanding his new airsoft loader doesn't make any sense. I tell you, it makes no sense. I thought this was additive manufacturing. I thought he should just use the exact amount of filament that he needed. Yeah, I know. I agree. But you know, it's life. Okay, that's rough. I don't like that. But I don't want to use a flat surface either. Okay. I know, I'm not sure how this works. It's like, you're like, it's so cheap to make this airsoft at home, but that's not really true. You see, you know, these different little tools of the trade and it all adds up. Like this was purchased, I don't know, mid last year, but if you're just looking at this video, like, what do I need to get going? So let's see, you're gonna need a 3D printer, you're gonna need power tools, you're gonna need a crowbar of some sort, definitely a hammer. I would say, what is this? I think this is a number 13. Number 13 brass punch, whatever the Glock fanboys use. You want one of those. What else are you gonna need? Gonna need a camera so you can record it and share it with the world, right? That's important. You're gonna need rails, right? Rails are important. You're gonna want, you know, parts kits and stuff needed. Yeah, that's good. Well, it's gonna have to be because I'm not doing more. Okay. The important thing is to figure out does the rail system work? That's what I want to know. Here, I'm gonna get a curved file in all of them called needle files. That's what these are. I want the one that's curved on one side and flat this side. Yeah. It's my little MVP. Okay. Oh, interesting. Oh, no, it's the same. What? Is that a... Oh, no, it's not. I was like, is this a mistake? It's not a mistake. Oh yeah, this comes out. Just take it out. He's even trying to sand it down. definitely easier than trying to sand it down. Okay. Like I said, I would like to confirm that the rails are good, because the rails are good, what's the point? Stop. Nope, the rails are no good. Same deal. So I printed both styles. Probably just need different rails for these. So I'm not going to go any further with this. I'm just going to find a good airsoft lower that has matching rails. And who knows, I may pick up... it's a whole struggle. I don't want to pick up all the stuff needed. Yeah. Alright, the press test. Yeah, this feels really solid. Crack my knuckles with it. Yeah, this is good. Like, this would be a good lower for airsoft. Good airsoft lower. However, I have to admit, the very first print I felt like was cleaner. So, tree scaffolding for the win for sure. See, and then you even have this going on with it, whereas this I'm gonna have to clean up if I get rails or even have a desire to do any of that. All right, well, yeah, that's it. Wow. Here, I'm back up so you can see my face. Do you see this face? This is dissatisfaction. Perfection. My butt. Anyway, like, that's pretty much where I'm at. Got a Jackal airsoft lower printing now. That's going to be done in a couple days. I will do some more research. I'm going to find another print that is compatible with these SS80 rails. And that should be able to remedy that. Let me know what you think. Did you like this video? Would you like more 3D print videos? I'd appreciate your input. And please make sure to like and subscribe. I guess you could do the notification bell thing too if you want. Or don't. I usually don't. Later.